Here's a little idea of when you are going to be installing the microwave over the wrench and where to drill the holes in the cabinet above. So here's my little idea. You put a little cardboard, make a template, make sure this is the wall, this is gonna be my cutout, and I have a little line underneath so I know that this is exactly where it's supposed to be. Make a marks for the bolts, and that's gonna be for the cord, and you're gonna transpose this on inside of your cabinet, make cut and holes, and there you go. Now I'm taking my template, gonna put it right over here on the bottom of the cabinet, and you just mark the holes for the screws and for the power cord. So it's right here, so now I know where to drill. And if you have done your template properly, you're going to have everything lined up. This one was good. I was a little bit off on this one, so I had to drill another hole really close by, but other than that everything lines up. So this is how you can do the template for your microwave when you want to install it over the stove.